This course is wonderful for beginners and experienced green screeners, as well as any grade level or subject area teacher and even administrators. You will gain the skills and provided resources to teach your students and assign green screen projects to spice up your existing curriculum, but also the confidence to create your own unique educational material. You will also learn how to use all the magical tools in the best green screen app on the planet, as well as some app smashing to make creations you and your students will be proud of. This course takes place online and begins June 20th. We will also have a live video conference face-to-face meeting in week 2. Incorporating green screen can be truly easy, as you just add it as an option to a project or a unit you already are teaching. Additionally, the benefits for students learning new skills are numerous. So, join me for a guaranteed good time of magical green screen fun.